that are super cute, super easy, and absolutely adorable. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Woo! Okay, so for the first DIY, the heart chain, all you're going to need for this DIY is a ruler, scissors, a stapler, and a pencil, and colored papers of your choice. So yeah, let's get on with the DIY. Woo! Okay, so if you have an 8.5 by 11, you want to turn your paper this way. And then you want to put the ruler down, like so. And then you just want to mark off every inch. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go like this. Just draw the line. Okay, so if you have a 12 by 12, obviously there's no right or wrong way to place it, except you're not supposed to do this, obviously, that's wrong. It's supposed to be flat towards you. So then you just want to take your ruler. It's going to be kind of the same as the other one, except it's going to be longer pieces, and we're going to have 12 instead of 11. So I'm just going to lay my ruler down and mark every inch. Alright, so now that I'm done drawing the lines on all of my papers, I'm just going to cut out all the strips like this on the lines. Okay, so if you have a 12 by 12 and an 8.5 by 11, what you want to do is take a strip from the 8.5 by 11 paper and just put it up against the 12 by 12. And then you want to take your pencil and just make a mark of how it was. And then take your ruler and draw a line all the way across. So now I'm just going to cut off this small piece. Now I'm just going to cut all the little strippies. So these are all my colors, and they're all about the same size, as you can see. Even the 12 by 12 is the same size. So now I'm just going to take them all, and I'm going to fold them in half like this. Okay, so now that all of my papers are folded and sorted, I'm just going to take two, and then I'm just going to put them inside each other, like so. And then I'm going to put a staple at the end. Oops. 1 second, that one didn't stick. Second time's a charm. Or no, it's third time's a charm. Who cares? Third time is a charm. Second time is a charm. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm just going to take it and I'm going to do this. But I'm not going to staple this here. I'm going to take another color and I'm just going to put it in like this. And then do another staple. And then take it down, which is super cute. So I'm just going to repeat until I'm satisfied with the length or I run out of pieces. Okay, so now I've ran out of pieces, so I'm just going to finish it off, going to take the end, go like this and staple it on with no other pieces. Like so. So now that it's finished, you can also, if you want, at the tip, turn this into a heart and staple it like that. Or you could just leave it like this. Or you could cut it. So I'm just going to cut it. So this is the final product of all the hearts. I think it's super cute, and I'll show you. This is really long. It's like it goes on forever. It's so cute. I think this is definitely an adorable decor. So for the second DIY, heart art, all you're going to need for this is a piece of paper, some water, a pencil, some double-sided tape. You could also use regular tape and then fold it in so it's double-sided. Some paints in the colors of your choice, preferably Valentine's for me. Some paintbrushes and a paint tray to put that all on. And of course, a canvas. So yeah, let's get on with the DIY. Woo! Okay, so now I'm taking my piece of paper and I'm gonna sketch out a heart as big as I want the heart on the canvas. So I'm just gonna sketch it. My double-sided tape, again you can use normal tape, and I'm just gonna stick it, oh my god, that was hurt. I'm just gonna put some tape around mostly the edges. I definitely want to get right there. I'm just gonna stick it into the middle of my canvas and just really press it down really good. Okay, so I got my colors and I mixed white and red because I didn't have a pink. Make pink, so I'm going to start with pink because I have it on my brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make these like streaks that are kind of like off, so like this. And then I'm going to do it in all different colors, but I'm going to leave gaps in between so that it's like white in between. So, like that. So now that I finished my stripes and I went over the heart, as you can clearly see, I'm going to let it to dry and then I'm going to take off the heart. So now I decided to add a twist to it. So I took some paint and mixed it with a little bit of water. So now it's super liquidy. And so now I'm just going to take some on the brush. I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to go and splatter it all over my painting. Okay, so I finished splattering. I think it looks really good now. And yes, it was messy, but definitely looks worth it. So now I'm just going to wait for it to dry, then I'll peel off the heart. Woohoo! So now that finally all the little splatters are dry, I'm finally going to remove this, and I'm super excited. Hallelujah! So now you can see the outline of the heart. So pretty. Now you can just like hang this somewhere. So this is the final product of both of the DIYs together in the spot, and I think it's absolutely adorable. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching my video this week. It was a lot of fun and absolutely, of course, adorable. Definitely worth the time. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what's your favorite part about Valentine's Day. Bye!